Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we will be learning about how to take the inverse of a function. So let's get started. So in this problem here we have a function f of x is equal to x squared plus 6 on the interval x is greater than or equal to 0, and we know that the function is 1 to 1, and we are asked to find the inverse of f of x. So the first step when we're trying to find the inverse of a function is to replace f of x with y. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we have f of x, and so we're going to write y is equal to x squared plus 6. So step 2 is going to be to replace every x with a y and every y with an x. So here we have a y, so we are going to replace that with an x. And then now here we have an x squared, so we're going to replace that with a y squared plus 6. So step 3 is to solve the equation from step 2 for y. So let's go ahead and rewrite the equation from step 2. So we have x is equal to y squared plus 6, and let's go ahead and get the y by itself. So we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And then we're going to take the square root of both sides. And we get y is equal to plus or minus the square root of x minus 6. And step 4, our final step, is going to be to replace y with the inverse of f of x. And so that's our final answer. The inverse of f of x is equal to plus or minus the square root of x minus 6. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.